There comes a time in life when you stop waiting for the world to hand you an opportunity and you decide to create your own. A time when you stop shrinking yourself to make others comfortable. A time when you stop apologizing for wanting more. A time when you finally understand that your power was never something you had to earn. It was something you had to claim. Look at her, walking with confidence, moving with purpose. Every step she takes is a declaration. I am becoming the woman I was meant to be. She wasn't born fearless. She wasn't born unstoppable. She became that way. Through struggle, through growth, through every moment she chose to rise instead of break. She learned that confidence isn't loud. It doesn't need to shout. It doesn't need attention. Confidence is quiet. It's the way she stands tall, the way she lifts her chin, the way she walks into a room like she belongs there. Because she does. She knows her worth. She knows her value. She knows she doesn't need permission to chase the life she wants. She has walked through storms. She has faced doubt. She has felt fear. But she kept moving. And that's what makes her powerful. Every sunrise she walks toward, every rooftop she stands on, every city skyline she looks over is a reminder that she is building her life with intention. She is not waiting for someone to save her. She is not waiting for someone to choose her. She is choosing herself every single day. And you have that same fire inside you. The fire to grow, the fire to evolve, the fire to walk forward even when the world tries to pull you back. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to have all the answers. You just need to take the next step. Because the world doesn't reward the person who waits. The world rewards the person who acts, the person who shows up, the person who keeps going when others quit, the person who believes in themselves even when no one else does. So walk with confidence. Walk with purpose. Walk like you know exactly who you are becoming. Stand tall. Lift your chin. Straighten your back. Feel the strength in your steps. Because you are not here to blend in. You are not here to stay small. You are here to rise. You are here to grow. You are here to become the strongest version of yourself. You are here to inspire, to lead, to shine, to show the world what happens when a woman decides she is enough, and more than enough. Your moment isn't in the future. Your moment isn't someday. Your moment is now, right now. And it belongs to you. So take a breath, take a step, and step into the life you were meant to live. With confidence, with power, with purpose. Because you are unstoppable. And this is only the beginning.